Welcome to Bayadh Garage. We have new machine with us, brake fluid bleeding machine. That's the new brake oil, and here we have the old brake oil. That's how the new brake oil goes in the car, and here is the old brake fluid. And repeating the same process for all the other 4 tires. As you can see, before we have done the left side, now we are doing the right side. The rear wheel is getting bleed. See, as you can see, the old oil and dirty oil is coming out from here. That's the last tire, which is going to be bleed with the help of this machine. Here we have